Welcome to the Holiday Inn Express, guys. It's your boy John C. That's how it goes. Around here, got the corridor. Well, I can get in the door. Okay, in here, we've got this. I would show you the bathroom, but Paul's in it. Look at the view we have from outside. This is here. Paul, you still in there? Right, let me just come in a sec. Here, go look at our room. Look, lovely. It's the room in there looking miserable as ever. Just to show you it's all live. So we go. It's your boy. That goes. Done.